Great service is our top priority, and now we're ready to celebrate with you because we just received an amazing review we're excited to share with everyone. Take a look. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen.